So today in this video we will be discussing about the logic gate. Let us first discuss that what is logic gate. So logic gate are used to form a digital circuit. What they are used to make a digital circuit. Okay. Digital circuit. In which two or more than input, but there will be one output. Okay, like there will be two or more than two input, but the output will be one. We'll prove that two or more input and one output. Okay, so there will be two or more input but one output. We will see how. Like logic gate are basically the components of the integrated circuit. Okay, they are the components of the integrated circuit. What they are? They are the components of the integrated circuit. So now here we are gonna discuss that what is truth table. Truth table. And we're gonna make that as well. So it is a set of input and output in a binary number. We will prove that as well. Like it is a set of input and output in binary number. In what? In which number? In binary numbers. Okay. So first of all, we're gonna discuss about the OR gate. OR gate, like it is a gate. It is a logic gate. So first we're gonna discuss about the OR gate. So if I could make the diagram of the OR gate, so the OR gate diagram will be like this. Is the two output. Okay, this is the circuit, and here will be only one input. Okay, I guess I am wrong, my statement is wrong. Here will be two input, like there are two input and the one output that is represented as x. So here the principle of will be of addition. Here the principle will be of addition. Let's prove it down that how the principle is of addition. So if I could plus a plus b, and this is what x, so we'll see 0, and as I said you that this is a truth table, so it will be the number and the output and the input will be always in the binary numbers, and as we know that there are only two binary numbers, that is 0 and 1. So 0 plus 0 is equal to, we know 0. 1 plus 0 is equal to, we know it's 1. 0 plus 1 is equal to 1, and 1 plus 1 is equal to 1. You must be thinking that why it is not 2, because here we are discussing only about the binary number. So the conversion of 1 plus 1 from the binary number is 1. So that is why we are not like writing here 2, because by the rule we are here discussing about the input. This is the input and the output is 1. So the input is 1 and the output is 1. So if it will be coming in the 2, so how can it can be a binary number? But we have said that output and the input will be in the binary number. So here I have placed 1 plus 1, that is binary number. If 2 will be coming, so that will be not the binary number, of course, that will be something else, that will be like binary, then the hexadecimal, so it will be that 2 will be that. But here we have to bring it in the binary number, as this is a truth table. Okay, so now we are talking about the NOR gate, means NOR gate. Here we will be talking about now the NOR gate. The second one is NOR gate. So by the representation NOR, by the NOR you can like identify that it is the reciprocal. Okay, in every like situation you will be recognizing that N for reciprocal. So this is completely reciprocal of the OR gate. Like NOR gate is completely reciprocal of the NOR gate, or OR gate is reciprocal to the NOR gate. So let's see how. If I could make the diagram over here, this is the input circuit, it is going, and here this represent that this is what, this is in the reverse direction. Here the reverse will be happening. Okay, means as I told you, the reciprocal will be happening. So in this diagram, this like this 0, sorry, this is not a 0, this is the ball, or you can either you can write, you can make the diagram of this triangle. So these both shows what, these both shows these are the reverse. So we have placed A, like this is our input A, B, and we are getting in the form of X, that is reciprocal or that is reverse. So let us find it down in the truth table, and this will be also working on the principle of plus. So if we plus A plus B X, and here dash will be coming just because of the reciprocal. So if we plus 0 plus 0, so we know that 0 plus 0 is 0, but here we will be placing 1 because of it is the reciprocal of OR gate. 1 plus 0, we know that 1 plus 0 is equal to 1, so we will be placing 0 because as we know the reciprocal. Likewise here we will be doing the same. Okay, you can see, you can compare. When the 0 is coming here, the 1 is coming. When the 1 is coming here, the 0. 1, 0, 1, 0. So you can see like these are the quite reciprocal of it. Okay. So now we will be moving towards our next gate, that is none other but the AND gate. Okay, so AND gate, let me make the diagram of AND gate. This is the input, the diagram is little bit changed over here. This is the output. Okay, this is A, B and F. So it will be working on the principle of multiplication. It will be working on the principle of multiplication, as they both were working on the principle of what, plus. but here they'll be working, the AND gate will be working on the principle of multiplication and will be doing it on the truth table as well. So here A, B, as I told you that logic gate, what the logic gates are, they are when the two or more input is given and the only thing is that one output is coming. So as you can see, I have given two input are 2 and one output is coming. Here also the input are 2, one output is coming, input are 2, one output is coming. So that is known, that is why we are calling it the logic gate. This is what logic gates are. So we know that this dot between them this is quite big. That shows the multiplication sign. This is our x, our output. So if we multiply 0 with 0, that will be 0. 0 multiplied by 1, 0. 0 multiplied by 1, 1 multiplied by 0 is equal to 0. 1 multiplied by 1, that is 1. So it works on the principle of multiplication. Now we are moving towards the AND gate, NAND gate. What is that? Now we'll be discussing about the reverse of it. Be discussing about the NAND gate here. Okay. As I told you, where the N will be coming in the starting. So always recognize that this is what the reciprocal. So here, as I told you that in the N OR gate and NOR gate. So N is coming means this is reciprocal. So here, as you can see, N is again coming. Before it was like if we cut it, so before it was N, but now N is coming, so it will be the reciprocal of it, and it will be also working on the principle of what? It will be also working on the principle of the multiplication. So let's see how this is the reciprocal. Here the input are going, two input are going, and we are in the result we are getting one output, that is x. So like I'm making the truth table over here. A, B, x. Okay, 0 multiplied by 0, we know it's 1, but it's the reciprocal, so we'll be placing 1. 1 multiplied by 0, we know it's 0, so we'll be placing 1 because it's a reciprocal. Likewise in all. So as you can see, if we do the comparison, so the answer, like the input output are coming 0, here 1, 0, 1, reciprocal 0 and 0. Wait, yes, it's correct, 0 and 0. Now here 1 and 1. Okay, sorry to say, but here 1 will be coming, as we have discussed that it is the reciprocal. So now we are moving towards our another gate, that is the NOT gate. Okay, NOT gate. Here we are discussing about what? Here we'll be discussing about the NOT gate. Here is an exception. NOT gate. So NOT gate is the only gate that have the only one output and one input. Okay, as we are having the two outputs and one input, but this is always have, this is A for example, and this is like the line, or as I told you, this is delta, and this is the output. So here only one input will be and the output will be also one. So that gate is known as what? That gate is known as AND gate. Oh sorry, not gate. Okay, so if I could place that in the table, A, and we know that x 1 0 will be getting 0. If you place 1 0, so it will be 1. So the output is 1. So input is 1, the output is 1. Input is 1, output is 1. So that is why this is the only gate that have the one input and one output. Okay, now we are moving towards our XOR gate. So XOR gate is a type of the OR gate.